Hello everyone, today we are going to compare two popular apps that many gamers use to fix lag and improve their online gaming experience, GearUP Booster and ExitLag. So, both apps try to solve the same problem, bad ping, packet loss and unstable connection, but they work in different ways and they are better for different type of players. So in this video I'll explain the purpose of each app, their strength, their weakness, and finally which one might be the better for you. So let's start with the purpose of this application. Both GearUP Booster and ExitLag are made to help gamers get a smoother and most stable connection to game servers. If you suffer from high ping, random spikes, lag during fights, loading delays, or packet loss, these tools try to fix the connection path between you and the game server. They don't increase your internet speed, but they can help you travel in a better route, sometimes shorter or more stable one. So now let's talk about GearUP Booster. So GearUP is designed for many different devices. You can use it on PC, mobile phones, and even gaming consoles. This makes it very useful for players who game on several platforms, like people who play both mobile shooters and PC games. One of the strongest points of GearUP Booster is that it's very easy to use. You usually just choose your game, press boost, and that's it. It also works well in areas where network quality is weak or unstable, especially for mobile gamers using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Overall, GearUP is built for everyday gamers who want a simple solution. But GearUP also has some weakness because it focuses on being simple and working on many devices. Sometimes it doesn't offer very advanced routing features. If your problem is especially related to long distance routing, for example playing on servers far from your country, it may not always give you the biggest improvement. And on some games the result can be mixed depending on your location. So now let's talk about ExitLag. It's mainly made for PC gamers and especially for people who play competitive games or games hosted in faraway regions. ExitLag uses something called multipath routing, which basically means it sends your game traffic through the best route available. This can help a lot if your internet provider gives you a bad route to the game server. ExitLag has several strong points. First, it's very effective for long distance server plays. If you're in Asia and you want to play on North America or European servers, ExitLag often makes a big difference. Second, ExitLag supports a huge list of PC games and allows tuning for specific servers. The design is little more advanced, which is great for competitive players who want more control, but it also has a weakness. ExitLag is only for PC, so you can't use it on mobile or console. Also, because it has more advanced settings, beginner may find a little harder to use it, and like all booster tools, it doesn't work perfectly for everyone. Some connections may not improve much depending on location or ICP issues. So now the important part, which one is better? If you are a mobile gamer or console gamer or a casual PC player who wants something simple that works across many devices, then GearUP Booster is the best choice. It's easy, it's quick, and it helps with the general lag problem. But if you're a serious PC gamer, especially someone who plays on foreign servers or competes in games where every millisecond matter, then ExitLag is the stronger option. Its routing system is more advanced, and for my personal experience, I would recommend GearUP for players who want an all-in-one simple tool that works on mobile and console, but for PC gamers who want to focus on competitive gameplay or cross-region play, ExitLag is usually the better pick.